Hey, so before we begin, I just wanted to say that GitHub is not an actual cloud storage, but I still wanted to show this to you guys because it's possible to use it like one. So, if you have not used GitHub before this, it's used by coders to collaborate and have backups of their projects. That is what GitHub is meant for. I was doing the same for my other project and I read that GitHub gives us unlimited number of repositories to create. But there are certain limits to the upload. You can only upload maximum file size of 100 megabytes and the total repository size can be only 1 gigabyte. So that's what this script does. It chops our files into smaller files and puts them on GitHub and joins them back when we need them. So here I have a folder with 2 files in it. This one is a video recording of my upcoming course. It has something in it. What's important is, notice its file size is 176 megabytes, which is more than max file size allowed on GitHub. The other one is just a small script. Its file size is 195 bytes and it has this text inside it. I've opened up my GitHub account here, which as you can see has 0 repositories. So now we just have to run this Python script. If you don't know how to do that, I'll just put a link from where you can install Python on your PC. Just read that up there. So when I run this, it asks for my username and password for my GitHub account. And don't worry, it's not a malicious software or something. You can just read up the code. So I'll just put my username and password here. Now because the account is being used for first time by this script, it cannot find the data it needs. So it will just create the things it needs in your account. Then it gives us 3 options: read, write and list. So to upload, let's select W. Then it will ask for a name for this upload. This name will be used to get this data back, so name it something meaningful. I'll just name this pack1 for now. Then it asks for the path of the directory that contains all the files to upload. Paste that and let it do its thing. So obviously this depends on your internet speed, how much time it will take. It actually needs to upload or download more data during its process than the actual size. So I'll be back when this thing hits 100. Now that it's done uploading, we can go to our GitHub and let's refresh this page. We can see a new repository is created for our data. Let's open that and we can see all the data files it created. So now let's go to our directory in which we have our data. I'll just delete these now and let's play the script again. This time we'll select L. This now shows me the uploaded posts. Let's rerun the script. Select R option and give it the name of our post, which was pack1. Then it asks for a directory path to save all the data at. Let's just give this the same path. A new file is created already, but it is not finished yet. If we go to the properties of this file, we can see it getting filled. So let it finish its thing and I'll be back when it's done. Let's see if our data is correct. Let's open this script, same as the previous one. Let's play the video. Everything's intact. So according to GitHub, you can create unlimited number of repositories. If that is true, then you can upload unlimited amount of data. Try to write these scripts instead of exploiting GitHub and I'm sure you'll learn a lot, because I sure did. So that was an easy way to get unlimited cloud storage. So subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I share new plugins. And as always, thank you for watching.